Since 1971, the Commonwealth Fund for Technical Cooperation, the CFTC, has been working as a trusted partner, building capacity in areas of human rights, governance, health, education, and economic development, working to give nations a voice, helping to develop policy, and by providing training and expertise from within the Commonwealth family, creating ripples that change lives.
If you can't get investment, of course, the economy will not grow. No jobs will be available. And that can have a very serious impact, particularly in a country such as Lesotho, which is facing difficulties in terms of poverty.
Administration of justice is the backbone of a good governance. Any economy without a clearly defined, commercial court system is actually bringing some form of doubt to investors.
Over a number of years, the High Court of Lesotho has really struggled with its court administration, and that's manifested itself in a backlog of about 2,500 cases. So we received a request from the High Court of Lesotho for 3 judges to come down and try to clear the backlog of cases within the High Court. Now we looked at that and thought that perhaps there was something more to the problem than just a lack of judges. And we found that the problem wasn't really the lack of judges, it was the administration of the courts.
We had a system where allocation was not fair. Other judges had more workload than others, and it was not so easy for us to track our records. The consequence was that nobody trusted the systems we had, beginning with the lawyers and litigants, and we ourselves didn't trust what we had.
So we developed a project which basically focused on 2 areas, which was one was the provision of a commercially focused judge to help improve their ability to deal with commercial cases, and also the provision of a court administration expert.
We got assistance in the form of an administrator from CFTC, and then this person came and he developed a database, computer-based, on a simple spreadsheet, Excel, and we built a database of all cases that we have in the High Court. So now we are able to clearly distinguish the stages that each and every case is at, and we are able to, for instance, say, this is how much we have as a workload for the High Court for the judges to determine.
My role here is to advise on the establishment of a commercial court and to generally get the commercial court working as a separate entity. I'm here to mentor commercial judges to assist them with the techniques necessary to work in the commercial court.
His expertise and experience in the commercial court has been very helpful to us. He's mentored me in many ways. In many cases we sit and chat about how we approach certain cases where I have really difficulties.
The impact was almost immediate on the consumers, because then when it was the norm to have a case registered today and then forget about it, only to have it heard something like a year after. Here it was a matter of weeks, so that was a big impact.
We have come up with a justice reform that is going to change the whole landscape of administration of justice in this country. So this intervention is monumental to us, and it's a big footprint that the Commonwealth has left with the Lesotho justice system.
The benefit is that if you have a good working commercial court, investment is attracted.
Lesotho has enormous opportunities. Business as a whole in this country is going to improve. They know that the justice system is functioning, and hopefully there will be more investors coming into the country.